Did you know that building your own WordPress site gives you total control and saves you money? Here's why you need to start today. So, what are the top benefits of building your own WordPress website? In today's digital age, having a website is essential for individuals and businesses alike. However, the question often arises, should you build your website yourself or hire a developer? Over the years, we've seen countless people start with platforms like Wix or Squarespace, only to switch to WordPress when they realize they need more functionality and scalability. Building your website with WordPress not only saves money, but also empowers you with creative control and valuable skills to grow your online presence. Let's explore some of the top benefits of taking a DIY approach to website creation. Cost savings and a budget-friendly approach to WordPress. Building a website doesn't have to break the bank. By choosing WordPress, you gain access to a platform that scales with your needs. Unlike hiring a developer, which can cost thousands of dollars up front, building your website yourself allows you to allocate resources wisely. Hosting platforms we recommend offer cost-effective solutions that maintain your site's security and performance without compromising quality. With WordPress, you're not locked into expensive plans or limited options. Need to add an e-commerce store or directory listings later? No problem. WordPress's flexibility ensures you can grow your website as your business evolves. It's a smart, budget-friendly way to start small and scale big. Next up is creative freedom and designing your vision with your WordPress website. One of the most rewarding aspects of building your website is the creative freedom it provides. You no longer have to wait on a developer to make changes or updates. You are in control. With WordPress, you can design a website that reflects your unique brand and vision. At WebPro Mastery, we stay ahead of the curve by diving into cutting-edge technologies weekly. From the latest AI tools to innovative WordPress plugins and simple-to-publish page templates, we provide resources to streamline your website building process. Our beginner WordPress courses equip you with everything you need to create a stunning, optimized website faster and more efficiently than ever. Now let's cover some of the valuable skills around mastering WordPress. Learning to build your own website is an investment in yourself. Mastering WordPress equips you with in-demand skills that can open doors in various industries. Whether you're starting your own web design agency or building your dream business, understanding the ins and outs of website creation positions you as a true web pro. The skills you gain aren't just limited to building your site. You'll learn about design principles, SEO, and user experience. Valuable knowledge that can elevate your business or even lead to new career opportunities. By taking this journey with WebPro Mastery, you'll have access to expert guidance and community support to ensure your success. Take the first step towards your website journey. The key benefits of building your own website are clear: cost savings, creative freedom, and valuable skills that empower you to grow. At WebPro Mastery, we're here to help you every step of the way. Our beginner WordPress courses are designed to inspire and guide you as you start your website journey. Do you want to dive deeper into WordPress? Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take action today and unlock the potential of WordPress to bring your ideas to life. Visit WebPro Mastery to sign up for our courses and start building your future one website at a time.